there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet the long single crochet, also known as the extended single crochet. The long single crochet is crocheted as a regular single crochet, except instead of inserting the hook through the stitch, we are crocheting one row below and we insert the hook into the stitch 2 rows below. So now the first row, the second row, we insert the hook in that stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then make your single crochet. Now long single crochet can be also made into 3 or 4 rows below. So let me show you again, not into the stitch, not into the second row, but into the third. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. And you can see the single crochet stitch is longer than the previous one. Now let me show you one row below. So again, not into the stitch, not into the second row, not into the third row, but into the 4th row. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, a longer loop, and then make your single crochet as usual. And now you have 3 different sizes of long single crochet.